Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide tab previews in Opera Browser Computer Windows 10. So how to hide tab previews in Opera Browser Computer Windows 10. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera Browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera Browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are many menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here you are in the browser menu. Scroll down to find the interface menu. Then tap Show Tab Previews. This feature is used to hide tab previews in the Opera browser on a Windows 10 computer, so that the display is neater and more focused. So that's it, the tutorial how to hide tab previews in Opera Browser Computer Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.